Week 3 of Shape Birds, inspired by James Rizzi, and my watercolor paints have dried. So it's time to color the background. However you color the background is up to you, but I'm going to use crayons. You can use color pencils. You could use watercolor paints again. Once it's dry, it's pretty safe. And so I am going to just color the line that I have them on. This could be a branch. You can use your imagination. Maybe a branch is this skinny. I was thinking an electrical line or something like that. And I am going to use blue for the background. Now here is a pro tip. If you always color in the same direction, even if you color quickly, it does not look like scribble scrabble. When you're coloring, another pro tip is to get into the edges and the corners. Things that don't look fully colored in, things that don't look like they have good craftsmanship, those are the colorings where the color is just wherever. However, if you want to use very good craftsmanship, make sure you get right up to the edges of whatever else is on your page. Crayons can color right on top of painting, so if you'd like to add some details to your birds, like feathers, lines, patterns, beaks, that is all available for you on this final step. You don't want to take too long coloring in the background though, because we do want to glue it down to our paper. To compare and contrast the 3 birds with the primary colors to the 3 birds with the secondary colors, creating all the colors of the rainbow. I like to make little M shapes for the birds flying in the distance, or some curvy V shapes. And you can do the same thing to both of your backgrounds. In order to save time, I'm just going to show you this one. The 3 primary colors will be at the top. You can add dots, not lots, to the back side of your thin piece of paper. You can add a couple dots to the middle, but you don't need a lot. And then we have to wait for the glue to dry in order for it to stay stuck. And so I actually hold it down, press it down until it actually dries. And when you're done with the second one, it goes down here, and that creates the full set of primary and secondary colors. Of course, this one has not dried yet, and I don't want to spill it, but once it is dry, I can color it, and then I can glue it down with the other one. They're just all hanging out together there. So that is the final week of your project, and it is time to upload. So once you get the coloring and gluing done, take a picture and upload it so that I can see your beautiful artwork. Have fun! Meow? I mean, bye!